Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Delaware County in central New York, Sullivan County in central New York, Pike County in northeast Pennsylvania until 9:15 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Livingston Manor to Liberty to Montauk Valley to Pexpont and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hurleyville by 8:44 p.m., Neverson Kinloch Sheldrake by 8:46 p.m., Willow-Emmock by 8:50 p.m., England's Ferry and Monticello by 8:52 p.m., Grahamsville by 8:54 p.m., Thompsonville by 8:58 p.m. When you can do so safely, please report hail or damaging winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-888-603-1402 or by email at bgm.stormreport@noaa.gov. If you are in the path of this storm, seek shelter indoors and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following county: Pike, Pennsylvania, and Sullivan, New York.